Oh, hooked up again on the monster bass top water.
Nice, right when it hit the water too.
He's off. Yep, get up in there. Oh, we're gonna double up right there. Did you see the picture of the redder sunfish my father-in-law caught I put on Instagram?
I think I might have missed it.
That thing was 13 inches long.
Dang.
Red ear sunfish on a, guess what, rooster tail. And he caught a big old Rio Grande perch. This spot just looks super fishy. Because it's deeper over there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there's like a little channel right here. That's deeper water. It looks like 2 feet deep over there.
Got another one?
Nope, he swiped it.
There we go. I got one.
There you go. You're hooked up, Justin.
There we go.
He's a little one, but he's still a fish.
Oh, he swiped at it.
Oh, is that one of those walking baits?
Yeah, like it's a Sexy Dawg.
Sexy Dawg, nice.
By
It looks a lot like the Yuzuri that I like.
KVD. There we go. All right, everybody. First fish. Not a little guad, but a little largemouth. There we go. You guys can actually see it now. First fish of the day. No skunk.
Very aggressive.
Yeah, he was very aggressive. He fought pretty hard for as small as he is. All right. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. We are back on a beautiful morning, overcast day on Lake Travis. I'm back with Will, Fishing Adventures Outdoors. He's doing a little monster bass challenge. He's got the multi-species box, and he's using the monster bass popper right now, which he's gotten a few hits. Got two
hits and one fish.
2 hits, 1 fish so far. And then obviously I just got that largemouth on a KVD Sexy Dawg Jr. It's a bone white right here. You can see that right there. So, like I said, it's a nice overcast day. Probably can fish really good, some top water today, and let's keep getting it. Let's get some more fish in the boat. All right, let's try. Let's toss it back that way. There we go. Oh, he hit it. He hit at it. He swiped at it. Aggressively. He's...
Go back in there. And if you don't get him this time, I'm going to throw my little spoon looking thing in there. Not like that, I'm not. There it is. I saw
got him.
that. Look at that.
Got him. Oh, stay on.
Oh, what a jump.
Stay on.
I got it on my video too, I think. Oh, look at him.
That's a nice.
Swim in, you want the net?
I can swim it. All
That's
right.
a keeper?
Yeah. There we go. On the Patroller 90. Oh, nice.
That's a beautiful topwater bass there, man.
There we go.
Here's the measure board right here.
And he's getting me all tangled up now, too.
You can tell that fish that you don't need any help getting all tangled up.
I'll do that all myself. There we go.
I think I got that topwater strike on camera too.
Fish number 2 on the Patroller 90. Mach baits. Walker bait. Nice.
Hooked up.
There we go.
That's on the monster bass popper, black and pink. I do love me a pink bait though, actually. I mean, he's fighting like a monster.
Yeah, he is.
But he's not. He's not a monster. And I believe he's hooked good.
Oh yeah, that's a good
fish.
fish.
Bigger than I thought.
Yeah, it's about the same size as that one I got.
A little bigger than
Yeah.
a pound and a half. He'll measure though for the tournament, I think. Oh, he choked it too.
Yeah.
He wasn't gonna get off. Thank you, Monster Bass Popper. I did notice that you really have to work this popper a little slower than others, or it'll dive under the water.
Hmm.
There we go. Best fish of the day so far, number 2 on the Monster Bass Popper, and my alarm's going off. We might have an hour of top water time.
All right, everybody. All right, spot number 2. And like Will said, I think we probably have like an hour or so of top water left, if I could cast right.
Maybe next time we'll go all the way up to the dam and make a concerted effort to only fish up there.
Yeah, you can't get too close to it.
Do what?
I say you can't get too close to it, but
Oh, there's a fish right there on the spinnerbait.
there you go.
Is he up? No, he's on. That was a bite though, 100%. That was a bite. Back up, baby. Got this little creature bait on a Ned rig.
Nice.
That should catch a fish there.
Damn, I just banked it right off the rock.
Oh.
Did you get him?
Yep, I sure do. Oh, dude, that's a decent fish. Drop your net for me? That's a decent fish. Decent fish on the Ned rig.
Where's he at?
I don't see him yet. Is that a catfish? What the heck is that thing?
That is a
The
cat.
ugliest catfish I have ever seen. Look at this thing on the Ned rig. And that was probably, it's a flathead. I got it. Thank you very much.
Yep.
That is the ugliest catfish.
I've never seen one like that.
It's a flathead catfish. I have never seen a catfish that ugly.
That is an ugly
But they're
face.
predators like bass too. They will definitely attack lures.
Yeah.
That is the ugly fish. It looks like something's wrong with this fish. Like disease or something. But what happened was is we got a strike on the spinnerbait, didn't hook up with it, threw right back in there with a Ned rig, assuming it was a bass, and immediately hooked up with this bad boy. If I can catch a fish on this drop shot, then I can get away from the slow bait for a while. This is a good spot for it too. If you get too close, just give us a push.
Yep.
That's easier than me. There's a fish. There's one, there's one. There's one on the drop shot. Oh, decent fish. He's right over here. Where you at, buddy?
There we
There
go.
we go. Drop shot fish.
Nice.
He was right over there by that floating, that boat dock float. That's a nice little 2-pounder.
Yeah. Good looking
This
fish.
is on the
The leech.
leech. Yeah, basically a leech. Drop shot leech. I have a 1/2 ounce weight on the bottom and about a foot. Not the biggest one I've caught out here.
Will with this Mondo bluegill here.
Look at this guy. Copper nose bluegill. He's huge. And they fight like crazy.
Perfect timing, right when I get my battery changed.
You got one?
Yep.
Nice.
Jabberjaw.
He was out in the middle of nowhere too.
There you go.
He must have followed it. Oh, that little, is that the citrus shad?
Yep.
Nice little fish. Jabberjaw fish. I love that jabberjaw.
All right, gents. Well, I'm turning my camera back on because it stopped because of overheating, but I caught a fish on the jabberjaw crankbait. It was a nice little guad, about 11 inches.
And if you're nice to me, I'll share the footage with you.
Yep. We might see it. We gotta be nice.
Maybe. Maybe.
There's a chunk back
I
there.
have to, because if you don't share the footage with me in that one fish, then I won't have any proof that I actually completed the challenge. Oh, that was pure luck. The lure bounced off the cover of the boat onto the rope and then into the water.
Nice.
Pure luck I didn't get hung up there.
Try to keep the camera out of the sun as best as possible. Get some breeze like that, it'd be great.
What you throwing?
Rooster tail.
There you go. There you go.
Hang on. Finally.
Ooh, he's barely hooked too. There he goes. Rooster tail fish. That's a guad. That's a nice guad. Well, you know it's getting hot now. The chicharas are singing.
No, 11. All right, there we go. Oh, my camera shut off? Sure did.
That's 5 or 6 fish though. Here, I'll do it.
There it is.
There you go.
All right.
Nice. Get back in the water, buddy.
All right, everybody, that's it for this one. We're calling it a day. It's just super hot right now. Bite's pretty much gone. We've fished for about 2-3 more hours and just didn't really get anything. Got a lot of snags. There were a couple little swipes and hits that I had, but nothing I could stick and bring in the boat. So all in all, it was a success. Will, on his challenge, he got 6 out of the 7.
6 out of 7.
I pulled in about 4 or 5 fish. We'll have to go back and look at the video and recount. I think it was 5, but hey, it was still fun. It's always great to get out on the water. Don't forget to check out Will's channel. It'll all be down below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and hit that bell for notifications. We'll see you on the next one.